Hey ladies, so I am here to do a review on these Vluxe by Ienvy extended extensions. These are lash extensions. I first tried this out with the kit. I first got the beginner kit, which I'm gonna show a little clip of right here. And I fell in love with it. It literally was like I went to the salon and got my lashes done. So I said, well, let me do a full video here on my channel with this box, because I won't do the beginner package anymore because I already have the applicator and I already have the glue. Well, this is the bond and the seal. So you apply the bond on first, which you'll see in the video, and the seal. So since I had everything, I just went ahead and just got the clusters. And actually, I think they gave you more in this box. And it actually has a small, medium, large, and large. I didn't actually notice that when I purchased this. So I'm going to show you ladies the package. I think these were about $7.99 for this box. I'm going to place a link to my Amazon store for you to pick them up. So this is how they come. Sure is there. So it has small, medium, and large. So I'll probably start the small in the corner, inner eye, and then I'll go large for the outer eye. So I'm excited because, okay, my whole lash thing is I love lashes. Like right now, I got my face on. I need a little lash for content and photo shoots, because as you ladies know, I'm a content creator, entrepreneur, so I do a lot of videos and things like that. I like a nice glam lash, nice extended look, and it's usually a strip. I can't really do the professional extensions, minks. I don't like how they look on me, and I have curly natural lashes, so I just don't feel like they actually last on me as if it was for someone else. And I wash my face twice a day. It's just not conducive to my lifestyle. So I wanted the extension look without having to sit in a chair for 2 hours. On top of that, my glam lash look for when I do content is different than what I would want to wear on my daily, like if I'm just running errands, but I might be going out later, and then once I lash on, I'm going on a date, or I'm just going out. I just want something more simplistic but still opens my eye and give me a nice light glam. So I'm gonna show you how these look. I fell in love with the starter package, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these on camera and give you my full review at the end. All right, so stay tuned. So what you do is you take a cluster and you apply it under your, right out of your eye. And then I take the back of the applicator and just kind of make sure it's in there pretty tight. You can also take that and kind of squeeze on it a little bit to get your lashes, your natural lashes, intertwined with the lash band. Okay, I'm gonna take another large size. Oh, they seem to be coming up pretty good with the applicator now. You just lock it in there. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna take, oh, maybe I should have, hold on. I'm like, is the large too long for me? Because they curl right into my lid. All right, I'm gonna do a medium. Lash. I'm looking at a mirror behind my lens. You see how quick I'm doing this, girls? Oh, yes. I'm so glad they came up with this. And then I won't feel, you know, too draggy when I'm out and about. It'll be more natural looking. And it won't take me forever. And you know how you have stripped lashes and then you put them on wrong and then they're crooked and they look crazy and it kind of just messes up your whole vibe. Like, you don't really have to worry about these with this. And the band is so thin, you don't even notice when you mess up. Like I just did. And some people have techniques on making this last longer. They put like extra like glue and things like that. I didn't get there yet, but I will. I haven't slept in these yet because I usually want to just take them off. I don't really like nothing on my eye when I sleep. Go. You think I could do another layer? Or should I just leave it like this? And they had a thicker style as well. But so let me start with the more basic one. Let me see. Let me see if it's a way to double them up. So I'm going to take some more of the bond. Hold on, that was the seal. I'm not gonna do the seal yet. Ooh, ooh. Let me see how it feels. I'll clean that up later. Okay, I'm gonna take another small. Oh yeah, you can layer them. Oh, child. I wonder if they have like a wispy style. That's gonna be my next. I did two smalls in the corner. I actually could have did. I could have did medium and smalls, seeing that I have hoodie eyelids. I have like a short eyelid. So I could have did small and medium and just did large on the end. So I'm gonna try that on this eye. Instead of using too much of the larges. And I love how small this wand is. It's perfect for my lashes because I got curly lashes. Is this open now? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna just do a large on the outer corner. All right, I'm just gonna double it up with a medium because I ran out of smalls. Oh, this is pretty. This is fun. I was watching Boomerang on my day off yesterday. And I just admire how beautiful the women were in the 90s. I mean, I remember it because I am a 90s kid, but actually seeing it in film, it was so refreshing. It wasn't no BBLs or none of that. Might have been a boob job in there, but the face, the makeup, everything was super like simple. I feel like we need that again. So it's days that I want to feel glam, but I don't want to overdo it. And then there's days that you're going to get a full beat. You're going to get a whole moment. Okay, girl. So here's my lashes. So I did this eye with more larges. This is mostly large extensions. And then this eye, I did more smalls, medium, and like one large. So I actually like this one way better. But they give you more large extensions than they give you small and medium, which is interesting. But I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm gonna start looking at more clustered lashes, especially for my, my everyday look. I'm definitely gonna be looking at the clustered lashes more often. I never really paid attention to them because I always thought you had to use that nasty black glue that you see them use at the nail salon, and that you had to like sit there and be tedious on each lash, and I was like, that wasn't for me. But once I saw this technique of doing under the lash, bingo, I done found my new glam fave. Okay, so I'm ready to slay. Okay, ladies, comment below if you're going to try these lashes. I'll link below these lashes on Amazon, and you can also get them at your beauty supply store. What else? They're super comfortable. Oh, I didn't put the seal on. You do have to put the seal on. Don't forget to put the seal on like I did. It's just like a clear liquid. And none of this stuff irritate my eyes. And I have sensitive eyes. Like when I use my regular strips, I use a sensitive formula for my glue because regular lash glue actually irritates my eyes. Okay, ladies. Okay, if you want to see any other tutorials, videos like this, comment below. We just doing our thing over here on this channel. I promise y'all a video weekly, and we're giving it, okay? All right, ladies, make sure you shop SherrellDesire.com for this robe. And stay fabulous. I'll see y'all real soon.